How to fix UKG Workforce Central app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check if app is up to date or not. For that, launch your app store. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name UKG and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, you just have to click on it, and with that the app will be updated and your problem might be fixed. Heading towards next solution close this. Launch your settings. Navigate to the option of general. Now head over to the option of hyphen storage. In this page, you're going to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Find the app UKG. Once you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, the app will be deleted from your device. Now you can head over to the App Store. Search for the app UKG. Once app appears, install it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix UKG Workforce Central app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.